What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights in the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed. Let's get straight to it, man. Didn't we just say this in the last video? This is why you want to be subscribed to the channel and have on notifications. We called this breakout that we're seeing right here on Shiba Inu before the last video. Now, we expected it to pull back. We seen it pull back to this 1025 level. I think I said in that video I expected it to pull back around the 1030 level at that mid Bollinger Band as far as a support, and either hold there if it was going to hold and then take off, or continue to drop lower. But we seen the positive side of that prediction take place. Right now we got the price at that 1260 level, which I told y'all we were targeting this 1350 level. And after we got the 1350 level, here comes that 1500 level. I just told y'all this was about to take place. So I just want to say shout out to those who are really rocking with me, paying attention, because we're able to get these gains and have the decision if, you know, we want to take profits from other bags, or if you just want to let it ride for long term. We know during the short term, or excuse me, during the bear market, short-term investors make more than long-term investors. Now, neither strategy is right or wrong. It just depends on your personal preference. But this is why you subscribe to the channel, so you can get this information before everybody else. You see all the other videos coming out at this time right now are mentioning what we said was going to take place in my last video before what we see taking place on the chart playing out right now. So let's pull up these indicators again. This is how we're, you know, trying to determine this. It's likely to happen. It's not always guaranteed to happen. So Bollinger Bands, RSI, obviously the MACD is going to be far up there. We got the RSI at an 86 right now. We got the price trading above that upper Bollinger Band. Let's look at our moving average on the 200-day. And remember, I told y'all, once the price crossed this level here on the 200-day moving average, it's gone. And let's see exactly where we are. So we can see, just like I said, when the price crosses this 200-day moving average here, the price is gone. It crossed it. Now we see the price breaking out all the way up 20% so far, just in this short period of time. So let's take a look at the volume right now. The volume is up 52% right now. When we seen last, the volume down 42%. So even when we left off on the last video, the price of Shiba Inu was down 5%, with it being up 20.12% right now. That means it's up 25% basically from where it was when we last called this. So, you know, shout out to everybody for rocking with me. We know that this is taking place because of the positive sentiment on Shibarium being released. I told y'all you don't want to wait until, you know, you start seeing all this movement happen. And now guess what? When the price starts to continue and we see even more green candles and more green candles, we're going to see pandemonium take place, where all those investors that have been sitting on the sideline waiting to get back in the markets, they see all these green candles on Shiba Inu, then that's when they'll decide to jump in. We've seen the negative impact on the market from the FTX SBF situation basically become priced in at this point. The Terra Luna dogecoin situation basically priced in at this point. Now, you know, we're kind of starting with a fresh slate. Overall, crypto still has a black eye on it, but as far as the people in the space, people are exhausted, tired of waiting on the sidelines, you know, tired of, you know, the price just pushing down. A lot of sellers that are short selling or pushing the price down by selling the asset, you know, a lot of them are running out of assets to continue to sell. So eventually they'll have to jump on the other side and help us take the price up. Now, that's all we got for this video. Share this video with a friend. If they were losing confidence in Shiba Inu, let them know though, you know, and I'm letting you know this is not financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence. Never risk more than you're willing to lose, because crypto is highly volatile. Now let's take a look at the overall market cap of crypto. Crypto at a 993.34 billion market cap, up 1% in the last day. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu now listed at number 13 place by market cap. Didn't I just tell y'all when it dropped down to 15, we were going right back to take over that 14th place and eventually higher? Now we're at the 13th spot. Shiba Inu looking like it wants to become a top 10 again. Now let's take a look. Shiba Inu up 38.5% on the week. We got Solana up 43% on the week. So out of the top, you know, 15 coins, Shiba Inu and Solana are performing the best this week. So shout out to y'all for holding strong. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out. Hey, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at DecemberDeMarco.